Are you looking for the best compact woodworking gadgets for makers? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure best compact woodworking gadgets for makers, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1, Saker Multifunction Foldable Level Experience. Saker Multifunction Foldable Level. Foldable Level Tool. Saker Multifunction Foldable Level, which can be folded as a rectangular-shaped block for daily storage and a regular straight level ruler for versatile jobs. Saker Leveler Tool can easily fold into a compact rectangular block for efficient and space-saving storage, making it perfect for home or work use. Whether you're installing shelves, hanging pictures, or working on construction projects, the folding level ensures that you have the flexibility and accuracy needed for a variety of applications. Small volume. Saker Level Tool is easy to store, and the small size makes it a great space saver. Smart Saker Leveler Tool is a nice addition to the traveling toolbox, which you can take to anywhere for different work. Whether you're working on small DIY projects at home or tackling tasks on site, the small volume of the Saker folding level ensures it won't take up valuable space. Its lightweight and foldable design mean you can carry it in your bag, vehicle, or toolkit without hassle. No matter the job, this smart and versatile foldable level is ready to assist with precise leveling and alignment wherever you need it.
Product number 2, Contour Gauge 12-inch with Lock Profile Tool. Experience Contour Gauge 12-inch with Lock Profile Tool. Good material and dual-side scale design. The Scribe tool includes 1 x 12-inch deepen contour gauge duplicator. The Carpenter Tools is made of high-quality ABS plastic, high-strength, and rust-proof. The Master Outline Gauge Layout Profile Tool has an inch and a centimeter scales on the dual sides to provide accurate readings. Adjustable and locking feature. Feek Contour Gauge Lurai can adjust the tightness according to your needs. Use a hexagonal screwdriver to adjust the tightness. Do not adjust it too tight, otherwise the plastic insert in the middle will not be able to accurately position the model. Then, press angle measuring tool on one of the shapes. Once object has been contoured, lock contour gauge teeth in place for perfect traces every time. Product number 3, Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool Construction Pencil Aluminum Alloy Scribe Tool with Deep Hole Pencil. Experience Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool Construction Pencil Aluminum Alloy Scribe Tool with Deep Hole Pencil. Versatile adjustment. You can change its shape according to your needs. Only need to change the tightness of the pencil holder and nut to achieve different shapes to complete the demand. It can be locked and fixed after each adjustment to ensure precision accuracy. High quality. It is made of high quality with aluminum alloy that surfaces with anidotic oxidation treatment, which could help to extend the service life of the product. Product number 4, Mini Carpenter Square. Experience Mini Carpenter Square. Pocket-sized precision. Master your markings. Experience high accuracy with this precision-engineered, CNC machined aluminum mini square. Its credit card-sized body, 3.54 inches by 2.5 inches, fits securely in your pocket or tool belt, while the laser-etched scales provide clear, lasting measurements. Ideal for intricate tasks like mortise and tenon joints where every fraction matters. Multi-angle versatility. Lock in your lines. Effortlessly mark any angle from 5 degrees to 90 degrees with preset detents for common angles, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 67.5 degrees. This compact square is your all-in-one solution for measuring, scribing, and squaring, making it an indispensable layout tool for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. Product number 5. Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler. Experience Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler. Expansive utility. Beyond its primary role in drilling, Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler proves invaluable for diverse applications, including the precise installation of door handles, crafting bespoke shelves, and constructing cabinets. Its multifaceted design enables versatility, rendering it an indispensable tool for an array of woodworking and DIY projects. highly accurate. Saker Drill Positioning Ruler doubles up as a marking gauge woodworking tool, boasting 3 sets of adjustable positioning blocks. This innovative design ensures enhanced precision, facilitating swift and accurate drilling, nailing, or marking tasks. Elevate your woodworking projects with increased efficiency and accuracy with this versatile tool.